Number 9. As an experienced product marketing expert with expertise in writing product reviews, I present to you a review for the Toshiba rice cooker. The Toshiba rice cooker is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that offers convenience and ease of use. With its brand reputation, you can trust that this product has been crafted with quality in mind. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its capacity of 3 cups. This size is perfect for individuals or small families, allowing them to prepare just the right amount of rice without any wastage. The compact design, with product dimensions measuring 9D into 11W into 8H, ensures that it won't take up much space on your kitchen countertop. Operated through a corded electric power source, the Toshiba rice cooker simplifies the cooking process. It eliminates the need for constant monitoring and reduces the chances of burning or unevenly cooked rice. With this appliance, you can expect consistently fluffy, perfectly cooked,